Look at that, man. Ramel, this part is the new wetlands part was open. So yeah, man. What's it? Walking path, no cycling running beyond this point. Oh, come on now, really? Oh, it says no jogging or cycling on the reservoir bank. Whoa, that's up there. That's not this. This is just the pathway. Let's see. Yeah, this is the pathway. This should be fine. Let's see. Welcome to Walthamstow wetlands, cycling running path. Use the car. Oh, I see. So this one you can cycle on. Cool. Alright, cool. Look at this, yeah. Look at this, yeah. This is the next wetlands, Ramel. This is the one on the opposite side. This is the one that was never open, but now it's finally open, yo. So pretty impressive though. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna park my bike up, I'm gonna climb up, see what it has. So look at all of this. The second wetlands. This is the one that we should definitely come and give it a go, Ramel. Stuff like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna quickly see if I can climb up here quickly. Should be able to get up here. Hold up. Let me just park the bike here. See all of this? Let me climb up here. Remember, if you ain't seen this part, yo, it's how it looks like. Look. It's how it looks like, remember. Look at that. Wow. This is the other wetlands, Ramel, yo. Tell me how you feel, yo. Tell me how you think, yo. This one's so spacious, it's so open. To be honest with you, I like this part of the wetlands, Ramel. This part I like more. It just feels more spacious or more relaxing and peaceful. And less crowded compared to the other side. Gotta get out of here, I've got insects on me. But these ones will try to come for your blood. Let go of me. Yeah, look. I actually prefer this one, man. This one is really is good, yo. Should actually take my time in here. I've got my power bank. Yeah, so this is the next wetlands, yo. Next wetlands, yo. It says it shuts at 5 because I'm in the super view. You can't see the buses and trains from here. What I can see, pretty good though. Nice sunny weather. Of course, out with a bike, you can see down here, pretty awesome. Let's see, there it is. See, that's where we are. God damn, yeah. It says it's got, I think, was it 2 paths to it? Straight up, it's got a path. It's got a path to the left somewhere. But it shows you have to go straight ahead though. I never thought the day will come where I'll get to give this wetlands a go. You remember the buildings over there, Ramel? This is on the other side of things. So once I come out and I turn right, you enter the second part of the wetlands. But I think the second one was shut out. Well, it's really 3 PM already. If they change the times to other wetlands, then that's no good. So let's see. If the other side is open, then yeah, but main focus is just this one. So I remember before when I used to come through here, you always had to take that long billet road to come down Blackhorse Road because you could never ever come through this way. And I remember years ago I used to turn around and say it benefits them just to turn this into like a open throughway, because when I saw it I goes, dude, you can easily make it in a way we can come through here. You'll make everything far easier, and like here we are, like nice and open where you can just walk through, and it's pretty damn good. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yeah, so that's the thing it was telling me was blocked there. It shows you a little part of it that you I think you're not meant to really go through there, the gate part. That's what it shows you a line to say, yeah, you could go through here, but not the one on the left. So yeah, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, 4K 60 HDR10 plus, high bit rate, super view, not using 360 audio, put that away. This is just the normal 3 microphones, left, right, and the one at the back. Yes. Yeah, so the gate that we're coming to over there, this is what connects you to the other part of the wetlands on the other side. Pretty impressive. So if I was going to cycle through, we would be going so fast you wouldn't really get to see it properly. It would just look like a slipstream. So this is a place that's really nice just to come to if you want to sit down and relax, stuff like that. So to be honest, this side of the wetlands is better. It is actually better, man. It's just so much better. It's more open space, it's more relaxing, man. It's more peaceful. The way how this one's designed and built, I'm telling you, it's just different, yo. It's just far different compared to the other side. It's like, how can I say it? The energy here is just totally different. It's definitely not the same, yo. Look at these buildings over there, yeah. Pretty damn good though. Yeah, so tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. So, here we are here. So, that's one thing I love about having a bike computer. I know exactly where I am, anywhere I need to be. I remember years ago when I used to come past here, I used to call this the dark pond, because every time I used to come through here, no one was allowed to come through here. And at night time I used to call it the dark pond because this place was scary. And I used to always say I would never ever like to be caught here. But actually coming here, it's not actually that bad, Joe. Really good, Joe. Really good, Joe. All this breeze, everything's blowing, man. Everything's blowing. Everything's nice, yo. Anyone ain't been to these wetlands, you should definitely check it out, man. You're definitely gonna love it. You're definitely gonna love it, man. It's definitely something that's worth checking out. Sometimes I would like to stream this in real time. However, I prefer just to record and upload. When I did my other stream the other night, my YouTube channel went a bit kind of funny. I couldn't see my subscriber page or my videos weren't showing. So I just wiped that section out and said, nah, forget that, man. Can you imagine? So anytime you wanted to go IKEA, all you had to do was come from the Hackney Marshes, come through wetlands, then come through this other wetlands, you come straight down here, and wow, you're just there. Look at this, yo, look at this. Check it out. Be water, my friend. Look. Be water, my friend. Water will always adapt and flow to any situation. Change, adapt and flow to any situation. Look at that water. Oh my God, I can feel it. It's ice cold. That feels like a cold bear, man. I think I figured out why my camera's glitching. What happened is, if you keep switching from front to back camera, especially when I'm in for like 4K 60 HDR 10 plus high bit rate, once you flip it creates a lag and recording starts to stutter, so I ain't gonna do that no more. So far the video recording is still silky smooth, so that's exactly what it was. Because when you're recording such large files, it's creating a lag between each of the cameras, so that's why the more I kept doing it, it's no good, because it's recording from two different cameras. So that's the part that Samsung ain't got right just yet. I'm not sure about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, if you are recording and you want to do both front and back camera, once you reach the time between 8 to 13 minutes, prepare to see lag. So the way how this works is, oh yeah, this is the other side you could walk around as well. So the way how it works is, so let's say example, you're going to what I'm gonna say, you're gonna record within the first between 8 to 13 minutes. If you're doing any front recording or to back, you have to do it with at least under 8 minutes, and then stick to your main lens after, because what happens is, after going that long, I don't know if it's the chipset was bottlenecking or whatever it is, however, lag starts to happen. So that's why when I did the Notting Hill Carnival, I understand the reason why that didn't lag, because I already did the front facing camera and then I switched back and I stayed with the main one. So yeah, y'all. See, look, and you come straight to the entrance. You come out here, y'all. Come out here, y'all. And when you reach this place, you have this. Look, Walthamstow wetlands. Yeah, so really and truly, this is what I need actually as my picture. Pretty good, yo. So I think which part, not Blackhorse Road, which part did I come from? Yeah, this part I came from Tottenham Marshes. From Tottenham Marshes I came down here, came around this way, came all the way around, and then I reached here. So Ramel, the wetlands that we do is here, where it says Reservoir 1, Reservoir 2, Reservoir 3, Reservoir 4, Reservoir 5, East Warwick Reservoir, and West Warwick Reservoir. This is the one we do, Walthamstow Marshes. So this is the side that we come to, like Copper Mill. However, you come across the road, we do have the other one. So yeah, pretty impressive, y'all. Pretty impressive, y'all. Oh my God. Okay, so here we are. Shows this is where we are right now. So we're just gonna walk through the other end. Nice day, y'all. So I need to check the times first. This one says 4 o'clock, so the time now, yeah, so we still got ourselves good 38 minutes. No, it actually says 5 down here.
So she generally, we've been really jammy really with her in that she doesn't really cry in the night. Okay, it's really unusual. So she'll just kind of wake up, make lots of like chewing noises, or like just be rustling around and then wake up and she'll just like but then it's about wake her up.
This is a place that we know all the time, Ramel. This is where we come this way. We've got the Indian house over here. This is already like probably like nearly 24 gigs already, so big file, so. This is the thing that definitely makes that pinky finger very strong, yo. Galaxy S24 Ultra is a heavy device, I'll tell you that much. Not your lightweight phone to be holding on the pinky finger. I can hold by holding the case, but that may add pressure to the finger, so how you do this again? I think it was this way, wasn't it? All I know, Ramel knows is best, yo. Ramel always knows about this stuff, yo. This is margin boost terrain, yo. All that water, yo. As long as my thing don't go off on one, should be fine. It says no access. You almost feel like we are in summer, you know. But we're almost there. Yeah, see the camera's still smooth. Yeah, see it's still smooth. The moment I turn that camera around, that's it. Look at this, yeah. the willow tree. This is a tree that reminds me of Zara Jane Ainsworth. I'll never forget those days, man. The greatest person I ever met in my life, but the first person that died young. Sometimes it's just how life is. Every time I see that tree, it reminds me of her. It was just the other day when we were sharing memories. Now, she's a memory in my head. It's kind of insane to imagine. She's been gone for like 19 years. Can you imagine that? 2025, she'll be gone for 20 years. To be honest, I don't really know how to navigate this one. I think last time we went was around this way. Yeah, so surprised my finger ain't even hurting. Let me rest that finger a bit. Yeah, so shows the green dot to say I'm still recording. This is why I need a gimbal. The DJI gimbal makes life easier. That type of look, like it wants to rain or something, yo. I remember the first time when I first came to this place. So now we're on the other side of it. Pretty good, yeah. Half an hour in, and we're still flowing, yeah. Still flowing with nature out here, yeah. See, we were just on the other side of this building, and then we crossed the road. Now we're here. I definitely have to make sure that Ramel sees the other half of this place, man, because he's missing out, yo. He's missing out. At first, I thought this was the full wetlands, but it was only half of it, and then it opened up the other half. They even got this. Oh, that's where it went. So you come through the centre part over there. So that means we're more near the long road that comes through. Okay, I understand. Well, when I was in Notting Hill Carnival, I was holding this for like 55 minutes like this. Obviously, I didn't have a bike, so I had two hands to support, so it was pretty alright. So, yeah. When am I gonna figure that island to go somehow? Definitely gonna have to reposition this on my hand. It's definitely starting to not hurt, but starting to really outweigh the pinky. Holding like this is going to be easier. Oh, he just put himself a camera in a no cycle zone. The last time I did this came up to like an hour long, but that was just me doing this one side of it. That's because I did the full circle. This one is like almost 40 minutes. This is doing like the wetlands. So this is the power of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra camera. So it's what this camera can actually do. So pretty impressive, yo. somewhere to the right somewhere. This right here. This is around 40 gigs now of video footage. Very large, very large. Yeah, see, look, no glitch, no nothing, it's still good. This is the part where you can cycle through here. Pretty impressive, yeah? Yeah, so that's definitely the whole wetlands, alright? I have to say, really impressive. You don't really need to go far just to enjoy yourself. You just gotta be aware of these type of places. So Mel, when you're ready. We can explore these places, yo. There we are. Walthamstow wetlands. Coppermill Lane. So we did this whole entire thing. So we came from the Tottenham Marshes, from here, from their Billet Lane, all the way round for here. Closes at 5. April 17th, 2023. Tell me how you think, tell me how you feel. This is what I love about Superview. It's just so good, yeah. It's so nice, like. I say the next camera I may get from a bike, maybe the Insta 360 X4 with the and I can just do those type of things. So yeah, so oh, this looks so good, yeah. I feel like rain. Yeah. Pretty impressive though. I really had fun today. That is the Walthamstow wetlands. 2 sides of Blackhorse and Lane with Hackney Marshes up in the mix, so that's like Tottenham Marshes into the wetlands into Hackney Marshes, so here we are. So really long one, really long one. Really impressive indeed, having fun. Nature and cycling, back at you again with another video. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 4K 60 HDR 10 Plus, and not that bad, Joe. Really good though. Really like this whole thing, yo. So this is one thing I love about this phone. It really records excellent video, man. It's just so great. Look at it. From up above, down, where the bars are, to here comes the bike, where your wheels are. Uh-oh, rain's coming. Rain's coming. This is not nice. Rain's beating very hard. Okay, I'm on the run. Rain's starting to hit. We got to run for cover. Run. This is no good. Destination mermaids. Fill myself up with some nice. Maybe get myself like a half a pounder. So yeah, this is me right here, y'all. So you see me? Right here, y'all. Impressive, y'all. Let me just chuck her right here. Alright, let's go. Can't be getting wet now, yo. We can't get wet now. You promised me a good day. So tonight, this is catch up with some anime like One Piece. Then it's get back into start One Piece Odyssey. Get Odyssey out of the way. I can get into Storm Connections, and then I'm ready for a Deep Sea Sparking. Then we're good. So then I can just focus on all anime after that. So here we are, y'all. Really reached up to like 50 minutes. Well, this is like 50 gigs already, 50 gigs. So large size, yo. Look at this going through this bridge. Even the bridge looks incredible in this view, yo. That's like donkey ride, yo. Donkey ride, yo. That mashed me up, yo. Yeah, yo. So. Yeah, yo. Alright, cool. We've come to the end of this journey. This is where it wraps up. Come to the end through the park, as you see. So this is where it wraps. This is where it ends. Pretty impressive. 51 minutes. Tottenham Marshes, Walthamstow wetlands with Hackney Marshes, and back at you again, back in the ends. So yeah. Peace out on that one.